So right now, with the entire market being as bullish as it is, with Bitcoin almost breaking to 100K, the question for the rest of the year is, where is the money going to flow into crypto next, right? What narrative, what ecosystem? This is the question I want to answer in today's video. As you guys know, money flows into Bitcoin first, and this has happened, and it will continue to happen until Bitcoin hits its all-time high. I don't think that 99.5K was the all-time high. I believe Bitcoin will cross 100K, most likely into that 120, 150K range, maybe even further. Now, while Bitcoin kind of cools off for a little bit, money is going to flow into Solana, which it already has, right? This cycle, Solana has done extremely well. It's been very, very strong, stronger than Ethereum, and a lot of the money has already gone into Solana, including its ecosystem meme coins, right? So a lot of your top Solana meme coins have all done extremely well. We've seen Bonk and Dog with Hat do very well as very new Solana meme coins like this chill guy right here. So overall, Bitcoin and Solana have both had a lot of money flow into these two ecosystems, as well as most recently, these large cap Dino coins, right? So think about your Cardano, your XRP, your HBAR, your Dogecoin. All of these have done at least a 1 to 2x from their July lows, if not more, right? Cardano right now is over $1, I believe. XRP is over $1. A lot of these coins have done extremely well these past couple of weeks. And what is next? What is that next ecosystem that is lagging behind the rest? That ecosystem is Ethereum. Now, I've lumped Ethereum and Base together because Base is an Ethereum layer 2. But this ecosystem includes, of course, Ethereum itself, as well as the Ethereum central meme coins. So think about your Turbo, think about your Pepe. And then in the Base ecosystem, think about your top meme coins like Brett and Degen, but also your utility coins like Aerodrome, like Alien Base, which I've covered before. Most of these coins right now have been kind of on a decline. I know Brett and Degen have done very well, and Alien Base actually, but a lot of your Ethereum coins like Turbo and Pepe have been kind of stalling for the last couple of weeks, especially Turbo, right? Turbo right now, in my opinion, is sitting at a prime opportunity. The Ethereum dominance and also Ethereum to Bitcoin ratio is at its lowest point since 2018, right? That means that most of the money right now is not in Ethereum, but that money will eventually flow into Ethereum, right? Ethereum ecosystem, despite what you think about it, is still the number 2 ecosystem in crypto. Eventually, you're going to get Bitcoin money flowing into Ethereum. You're going to get Solana money flowing into Ethereum. You're going to get your large Dino cap money flowing into Ethereum. All of this money is going to flow into Ethereum, and with these prices right now, I don't think they're going to last much longer, right? All it takes is one Ethereum pump for all of these other coins to massively pump, right? If Ethereum goes on a run, right now Ethereum's at 3.4K, 3.5K. If Ethereum goes on a run, let's say it hits new all-time highs, right? Let's say it hits 5K. We're going to see all of these coins at the bottom right here do 2, 3, 4x, right? It's inevitable for Ethereum to go on a run, which means it's inevitable for these other top meme coins, top base altcoins to go on a run as well. I'm very, very bullish on Ethereum right now. Most of the money has already been made in Bitcoin and these large Dino cap coins. I think Solana still has some room to run, especially its meme coins, but Ethereum right now, the entire Ethereum and Base ecosystem is still at the very, very early stages of a bull run, right? We're seeing the signs. We're seeing some coins like Brett do pretty well, Degen do pretty well, Alien Base do well, but a majority of your Ethereum coins are still lagging behind the rest, which means that their time is coming up. Now, what are my top Ethereum coins to pick up right now? I believe Turbo is definitely one of the best coins right now. It's on an absolute sale. This number is actually incorrect. It's 0.007, and I believe anywhere from a 4 billion to a 13 billion market cap is very, very likely. That would be a 6-cent Turbo to a 20-cent Turbo. I think anywhere in that range is very likely. You can see that this coin has a lot of price potential. This coin hits both the AI narrative as well as the meme coin narrative, and with the bullishness of Ethereum, it is just set to perform that much better. And I believe Turbo has many, many major catalysts in the future, especially a Coinbase listing, right? Turbo is a 100% community-driven coin. It has a fixed supply of 69 billion, right? All these coins are circulating. It has a bunch of holders. It's fairly launched, no VC involvement. This coin is as organic as it gets, one of the most organic communities in my opinion. And I truly believe, right, Turbo will be a top 10 meme coin this cycle, and it's going to hit multi-billion, if not tens of billions of dollars of market cap. Now, my next two coins are going to both be on the Base ecosystem, and the first of which is Brett. I've talked about this coin a lot in the past, but I believe there's many catalysts, like with Turbo, in the future for Brett. I believe a Coinbase listing is on the horizon, and I think Brett is basically the Sheeb to the Doge of last cycle, right? So Brett and Pepe are going to be the Sheeb and the Doge. I believe Brett can hit a $20 billion market cap. And right now, Coinbase is a huge catalyst, right? The number 1 and number 2 Ethereum memes are listed on Coinbase, as well as the number 1 and number 2 Solana memes. Right now, the number 1 meme of Brett on Base is still not listed. The number 2 Base meme is listed, and that's Degen. But Brett, being that number 1 Base meme, is still not listed yet. A lot of people are front running that listing, so a lot of people are trying to get in before Coinbase lists it, because if Coinbase does list Brett, I could see it easily shoot up to being a $10 billion plus market cap coin. What are my Brett price predictions? Well, I think Brett can hit this top 15 to top 7 meme coin ranking, which would put it at a $5 billion to a $15 billion market cap coin, and that's around a 50 cent to a $1.50 Brett, right? I think that is extremely possible. Of course, all of these price predictions are very conservative in my opinion, especially the ones in this green area. I think 50 cents is almost a given, right? Once it gets that Coinbase listing, even before the Coinbase listing, I can easily see Brett getting to 50 cents. And then to get to $1 or $1.50, anything above that, I think it definitely needs some tier 1 listings. But I think anything in this green area is an extremely high likelihood, and I don't think we really need too much exchange listings for these price predictions. Now, in order for us to hit this yellow section, so anywhere from $20 billion to $50 billion market cap, so that's a $2 to a $5 Brett, I definitely think we need some catalysts. So we definitely do need some tier 1 exchange listings, most likely a Coinbase listing. If we do get a Coinbase listing, like I said, 20 billion and above, the sky is the limit. Now, the number 3 coin I want to talk about that you should get on the Ethereum/Base ecosystem is Alien Base. This coin is so bullish. It is still at a very, very good price in my opinion. If we take a look at Alien Base, I told you guys to pick up this coin first when it was in that 5 to 9 cent area. This was months ago, back in May. But if you missed that, I also sent another community post around this 20 to 29 cent area. So around this strong support area, I told you guys to pick some up. But right now, we are now heading to this all-time high resistance area, which I believe anything under 40 to 50 cents, I still believe is a good time to buy into Alien Base. I'm still DCAing into Alien Base even today. Even though I bought in at 5 cents, right now it's sitting at 41 cents. I'm still buying Alien Base because I believe this is going to be one of the best DeFi coins for the entire crypto market, not just the Base ecosystem, but also the entire crypto market as a whole. Base is going to be the number 2 ecosystem for this cycle, in my opinion. And with Alien Base being that number 2 DEX, I can easily see this coin reaching $1 billion market cap. Right now, it's only sitting at 41 million. So that would be over a 20x from today's price. If Base gets the traction that I think it will get, and if something like Aerodrome can do multi-billion dollar market cap with a high inflation, Alien Base can easily hit 500 million to 1 billion with much better tokenomics than Aerodrome. So like I said, it has a bullish narrative, it has a great product and technology, and it has great tokenomics. I believe we are still very, very early. Let's just take a look at my thesis, right? So Base is the most bullish new chain on the block. Solana was last cycle's most bullish new chain. And last cycle's top Solana dexes were Jupiter and Radium, which did a 2.4 billion and a 1.2 billion market cap respectively. So if we attribute Arrow to the Jupiter of this cycle, and then Alien Base to the Radium of this cycle, then you do the math, right? These numbers definitely make sense. I think Aerodrome can probably hit anywhere around a $5 billion market cap, and Alien Base can hit a $1 billion plus market cap. I think these numbers make sense to me, and I think Alien Base has all of the signs of being a top DEX, a top crypto this cycle. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And also, just as a side note, I just launched this Patreon, so a lot of you have been waiting for it. So far, I have one membership tier. It's the OG tier. Total of 20 spots. Right now, 10 of them are already taken, and it's about $5 a month. So very, very affordable in my opinion. And I've already made a community post as well. So these are 2 undervalued based altcoins. One I've talked about in the past, one I have not talked about, and it's a new pickup for me. So that's gonna be it for the video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next one.